Hey, it's Melanie. Welcome back to my station. Today I'm going to talk to you about how I made the Spalted Maple Slab Clock. I start with a rough chainsaw cut log and using a 3/4 inch, 3 tooth per inch bandsaw blade. I slice the cookies into smaller pieces. This piece was cut from a solid log, while this next piece was half a log with the pith removed. I cut 2 evenly sliced pieces off of this half log, and then I flip them open like a book. It's called book matching, and you can see the 2 sides here. They're perfectly matched. They're both the same. They're just like an open book. I sand the edges, sometimes including the bark, sometimes I don't. I like to bevel the edges a little bit for a smooth transition. I drill a 3/8 inch hole through the center so the clock post fits in, and then I router down into the depths of the wood so the clock face fits perfectly on the surface. Finally, I put a coat of Danish oil on the top, and it brings out such a rich, lustrous satin finish. Thanks for checking out my video. Hit the subscribe button and the bell button for notifications. See you next time.